Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be opening this box of beauty products. I took advantage of the Lancôme 40% off that they were having last week, I think. I don't remember the date. And I placed an order. So I wanna share with you what I bought. And let's open this box together and discover what I ordered. Let me show you. This box is very well taped. I've been wanting to get this Lancôme Génifique Light Pro because this I already tried before, so this is not the first impression. This is my second time purchasing this because I like it. The fragrances that I order are these La VIE EST BELLE SOLEIL CRISTAL, so I never smelled this fragrance. And also this Lancôme IDOLE or IDOLE. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. And that's it. They're supposed to add a few samples, but I don't see the samples anywhere. So I think they forgot to add the samples. This serum is supposed to be good for lashes also. This is an eye serum. And I don't know if I already mentioned it, but this is not the first time that I use this product. This is a repurchase. This is my second time. And the first time I bought this product, I liked it a lot. That's why I reordered it. I don't know if they have a bigger size. This is 20 ml. 0.67 fluid ounces. I am not sure if they have a bigger bottle. I would like to get a bigger bottle, but I didn't see the option. And this is how it looks like. This little pearl is metallic. I really don't know the material. And the serum is very refreshing and very silky. You can massage your eye area with this part of the applicator, but I don't really like to apply it like with this. I prefer to use my fingers because I feel like these get a little warm when you massage your eye area and then you put it inside. I feel like this is going to get bad soon if I do that. So they make this especially for applying it directly to the eyes with the applicator, but I really don't like to use the applicator to massage my eye area. I prefer to use my fingers. So this is how this look like. I'm not gonna apply it right now because I have makeup on. But I have a video previously, like probably more than a year ago, when I was applying this to my face. This serum doesn't have any scent. It's unscented and I like that. The first fragrance I'm going to discover today is La VIE EST BELLE SOLEIL CRISTAL from Lancôme. I don't remember the notes, so I'm gonna leave them here for you. Ooh. Wow, this is my first fragrance from this line. It's so cute, very feminine, and the color. The color is, I don't know if it's the bottle that is golden or the liquid. No, I think it's the liquid. The liquid is kind of caramelized color. And also the bottle is glass and it has the metallic colored like rainbow color coating. The cap is plastic. The cap is simple, but I like the bottle. Let's spray it. Wow. I can feel with the first two sprays that is very strong. And yes, it's like summery, but to me it's like summer and fall. I feel that this fragrance is very sweet, very concentrated, like caramel and coconut, and it's very delicious. Also, it has that soapy feeling, but it doesn't smell like a laundry clean, soapy feeling. It's more like, probably to me, it's more like that type of shower soap feeling, maybe shampoo. I don't know the lasting power, or I don't know the projection, because this is the first impression, but the first impression was good. I like it. Now let's unbox Idole or Idole. So this is another first impression. If I smelled this previously, I don't remember. I got it because I don't have any of these collection fragrances. So I wanted to have one, and this is the original. Let's see. Ay, 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 ay. Be careful when you open the boxes. Oh wow, this bottle looks like a phone, like a cell phone. Oh wow, it's flat, it's glass, and it has the brand name in the cup. And I think, yeah, this cup is also plastic. I thought it was going to be like metal cup, but it's plastic. Yeah, this is very flat. This also remind me of those little flask that, or those little containers that the people keep in their pockets with alcohol, like liquor, and that's what it reminds me. Oh yes, this is a floral fragrance. But by looking at the color, I could imagine that this is a floral fragrance. I'm gonna apply a little more. It has some sourness in it. It's sweet. It has a little bit of fruity sourness, like I will say it's like a sweet and sour taste. And this has, to me, maybe the flower jasmine, or it's like a pink flower. That's what it comes to my mind. And it's sweet, it's a little sour and fresh. This fragrance for me is more like a spring summer, because it has that type of flowers that are fresh, like fresh, pink, sweet. I like it. I think this fragrance is good. It's more youthful, and this one more serious because it's stronger, and this is more playful, youthful, more floral. If you ask for my favorite is La VIE EST BELLE SOLEIL CRISTAL. This one is also good, but is kind of more youthful, fresh floral. I didn't know this was that floral. At the beginning, it's like sweet, sour, but now it's more floral. Yeah. It's good, it's good. I think this is good for young people, for young women. Well, and that's it for this video. Leave me your comment and tell me if you have tried any of these two fragrances and how do you like them. I will see you in my next video. Bye.